My name is Sanjay Walunj. I am the CEO of Heatcon Systems. Welcome to TLC. These thyristor power controllers are of ratings from 50 ampere, 100 ampere up to 600 amperes. So these are used for as a substitute to contactor that saves energy in the sense of 3 to 10% saving. These are our control panels that we manufacture for the ovens. Heatcon started in 2004 as an repairing organization for electronics and automation products. Later on, we stepped into automation and sensor manufacturing. We now manufacture electrical ovens, and we have a goal to reach most of the Indian subcontinent and abroad.